Bought this Craftsman for 80 bucks a while ago. Came with a plow, came with tire chains, and weights in the back. And supposedly it runs. So I'm gonna put gas in it, and I'm gonna hook my jump box up to it, and see what happens. The tank looks bone dry. Underneath the hood, Kohler Post Twin 18 horsepower. These are some of the plow parts, but I'm not gonna put that on right yet. So let's hook the jump box up to it. I'll turn the jump box on. I took the air cleaner off, and I'm gonna spray some gas down in there. Yes, this is gas. Let's see what happens. Huh. Throw the top cover and air box on. I don't know how old this thing is, but tires are definitely original because those are all dry rot there and they're not holding air for more than an hour. The back ones, same story. So either need to get tubes or just new tires. This one looks like it's holding now. This one maybe. But nothing else really, just have to get a battery for it and make another video about putting a plow on it. Just want to check the oil on it and need some more gas in it. I think I'm gonna go get some gas tomorrow in a can because I've got no more here now. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.